Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory modules, loosen the screw. Slide the base cover off the system to remove it. Unlatch the system fan. Flip it over. Identify the memory modules. Pull the securing clips until the memory module pops up. Grasp the modules by the edges to remove them from the system. To reinstall the memory modules, insert the memory module into the memory module socket and press it until it clicks into place. Flip the system fan over and relatch it. Slide the base cover back on the system and tighten it with the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.